Hello everybody, it's Spidey Steve here, and today I'm excited to share a special project with you. You might remember my custom minifigure heads for Momo Jumbo and Gini that I've used in some of my most recent stop motions. Well, since then, my custom minifigure skills have improved significantly, so I thought it was time for a revamp. Plus, I'll be making custom minifigures for other HERMITCRAFT members using conventional LEGO bricks. Let's get started. Today I'm going to use my conventional method for creating custom stickers. I'll print them on regular paper at 1200 DPI for high quality, and as always I will provide a PDF link in the description so you can download and print these stickers for yourself. After printing, I cover the stickers with a clear tape to give them that classic LEGO sheen. Then I'll cut them out with scissors and use a basic glue stick to adhere them to minifigure torsos and heads. This method makes it easy to remove the stickers later if you want to return to your original minifigures. First up is Gini. His design is a bit more complex. I used an actual LEGO print of Ron's torso to capture his iconic red sweater, paired with plain black legs, but underneath he has a Steve head. But to highlight his famous waffle hairstyle, I printed designs on all sides of his head for a full 360-degree look. Next we have Momo Jumbo. This time I used an Enderman head, covering the eyes with a print that includes his hair. I also created a custom torso print featuring his classic red tie and white shirt. This design might be the least accurate as the black didn't quite turn out as expected, but I think it still looks great. Now let's look at Impulse. He shares the same black torso print idea, but it turned out a little better this time. I used legs from Sig Griebling's LEGO Star Wars set. While I think his pants should have a slight green tint, any plain gray legs will work. He also features a Steve head with a custom sticker. Here is Joel, also known as Smallish Beans. I had a lot of fun creating his minifigure since I watched him on YouTube alongside Gini, Mumbo, and Iskow. He has a custom torso print and plain brown legs. Just a note, the torso print may need some trimming to fit perfectly due to slight variations in minifigure sizes, as well as any head prints and torso prints on all of these minifigures. Next up is Gini Tay. I had a blast working on her design, especially with her iconic look. I love how her torso print turned out, especially the green. The blue might need a darker shade, but I can always update that later in another video. Wait for it. For her legs, I used the dual molded ones from Woody in the Toy Story 4 LEGO sets to mimic leather boots. Finally, we have Etho. His design is fairly straightforward, but effective. I was initially worried that the gray hair wouldn't look great on the white skeleton head, but it turned out just fine. I used the same green for his torso as I did Gini Tay, and I think his torso print might be my favorite of them all. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming series where I'll be making 6 more custom HERMITCRAFT minifigures. If you want to dive deeper into the creation process, check out some of my other custom minifigure videos on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Until next time, happy building!